That's it! That's it! Tatangki nila yung tira ng Torre. They have enough minion wave here.
5
That's
segundo.
lovely siya. 5 segundo.
5 segundo, dagdag insulto!
Here we go.
Ito na ba, ladies and
Rablesa.
gentlemen? Team Onyx PH!
Tumayo dito sila Blesa. Ay, mayroon lang palang
Walang minions! Walang minions!
Walang minions! Walang minions!
Walang minions!
Oh my God! Nice naman! Mga kaibigan dito sa likod. Tapos Lusty going for the jump here onto the Kimi. Tapos si Kiluwas nag-i-split sa taas.
Hunter x Hunter!
This game is getting crazy.
Hunter x Hunter Iluwas!
Archangel!
Archangel Lipan!
Archangel!
We are going to game
Game three.
number 3! Di ba?
And then Lusty!
Lusty!
Oh, walang minions! Oh my God!
Oh
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Isang Pilitina lang!
The minion wave!
Isang one hit na lang, Kuya Shi!
Pumasok na si Bird dito. Oh my goodness.
Mega kill, huli ngayon yung lin.
Oh, nakagaw! Nakagaw! Nakagaw!
Agaw! Mga kaibigan ng Torre, Jay, pinasipa pinalaban na ba dito si Nixu? And again, buhay na rin si Daniel, 5 seconds to go. Mga kaibigan, ganun din naman ang ating export. May natitira pa rin, minions, dalawang artillery yung Lord, hindi butas sa mid. Oh my God.
This is big. This is big
Kasi
for
pa
Motive.
nag-depend, hindi naka-full life bar. Immortalization at gusto niyang kompletuhin minion waves as well as insanity to go for the burn down. And he will be going
Walang
down.
minion, walang minion, ha? Wala pa minion,
Pero
wala pa
nakuha pa
minion.
rin dito ni Yuji yung live buhay pa rin si Burn.
Walang
That's
minion,
the
walang
defense of the
minion,
base.
walang minion. And right now, 9 seconds mga kaibigan. Para kay Lilia!
Lilia.
Oh! Daniel! Daniel! Oh my goodness!
2 seconds on the linya. They want to complete one last minion wave. Kulang pa rin.
Kulang! Kulang! Kulang!
Oh my God!
Ng haze habang may lupa, bumaba na!
Oh!
Sabog ka na naman!
Abi, salamat! Pero he's just knowing it. This is a very crazy man.
Ay, pero salamat pa
He's
rin.
still alive.
Oh!
Oh my God, this is too much! Masyado,
Oh,
pero si
Mercy.
Timo, grabe na dala sa sigaw dito! And
Ay,
Signal Ultra
Signal
is going
Ultra.
for a push! What are we seeing here? We
Kakainin.
got a 2-1!
Rin sa buhay niya, munti ka na siyang madedo. Pero buti na lang
Oh,
ang
the
kanyang
steal.
Lord.
Oh! PSO secures the Lord with us about it home. Getting with Kali securing the high low.
JP.
And now to JP. One-on-one to Tatso.
Atom stepping! Atom stepping!
Oh,
Atom stepping!
Oh my God! Wi-Fi! Oh my God! Oh my God!
4-3!
4-3!
4-3! Oy, naku, may laban pa dito! Slam dunk para kay JP dito, sabi ni JP!
Oh!
Sa kill!
That's it!
Ano, Devon! Stat!
That's the game!
Oh my!
That's the game!
Jay with the kadenang ginto! Kaja Monstragon!
Oh! Yung bayanig!
Archangel!
Yung bayanig! Ang Le Pavilion! Darisio! He went all in! Archangel is gonna be finishing this instant. No medium wave available. There is Kiluwas as well. Focusing on to pain. Will this be the final T5?
Oh my G, Ribo ang natira dito kumakagat.
There we
Pero
go!
yung siya, si Kapitan ang natira. Lipan! Archangel Lipan!
No!
It's a point.
Oh, this is a big comeback! Butas na mga kaibigan! Si Pusa kinalaman ng Tidek. Dalawang pa triple kill ang Lucky by Dilar. And now there's only just one. Renzo pala lang si
Renzo!
Tapusan. Hinila pa palag ng manok na pula. Yung base!
Yung base! Isang one hit na lang!
Ajin, ako nahuli! Nahuli si Ajin!
Ako nahuli ko
napigat up! Ay!
Naku po, ikaw na lang ang baby ko, sabi dito ni Maring Daniel. Pero ayun, naku ni Yatorp, dinaganan mga kaibigan. At si Toshino, 1-1-1 with a great one. Daniel, I got the bang.
Si NJ! Si NJ! Nasa gitna si NJ! Nagtatrabaho!
Si Ren!
Mataas ang sahod! May overtime!
May overtime, may overtime. Oh! Nakita mo yun, sinipa niya yung trumpo. Yung trumpo, sinisipa na ngayon, 2019. Paring Hayes, umata ko, binabaril. I got the bang, bang, bang. I got the bang, bang,
Oy,
bang.
nilayo nahuli si Hayes dito. Si Hayes! Masyado makunat Kenji dito lumalaban. Hayes dito nahuli, wala siyang immortality. That will be his death. And right now,
Oh
they
my!
still really want to win this. Oh my goodness, HFP, are they gonna do it? This is the question.
This is
Kasi
the
natanong
question.
natin na sobrang tagal na.
Doggy sa harap.
Aider sa likod.
Nasakto lang ang mod.
Doggy gang. Sando gang.
This is White Omega. Na wipe out sila. And